Tom.
I'm Ange.
We're a couple of the Myotherapists at Myotherapy and Allied Health, and we've put together an injury prevention warm-up. We've collated about 14 exercises to do that involves a bit of strength conditioning and a bit of plyometrics. So there's been a lot of literature around about whether strength and conditioning versus stretching sort of prevents injury more. So strength and conditioning reduces injury by up to 69%, and so that's why I put this together.
And we've compiled a few videos for you to watch as well, which will take you through all the 14 steps. If you've got any questions, feel free to give us a call.
We're just going to do some shuttles, so 6 lots of 20 meters, slowly increasing the intensity up to about 90%. We're just going to do a couple of 20-meter shuttles of open the gate and then jog back, and then we can do an alternative shut the gate 20-meter shuttles.
Here we have some zigzag running, so put some cones out for about 20 metres, and what you're trying to do is zigzag between each cone, repeating this twice.
So this is us doing a skate, so you can do it stationary for 30 to 45 seconds, or as an alternative you could do it as a shuttle for 20 meters and be able to repeat this 2 to 3 times. Here we are doing some prone bridges. We're going to do 2 reps of 30 seconds to 60 seconds, and to progress this we can do 5 leg lifts on each side.
So here we have the side bridge. What you want to do is come up on your elbow and ankles and then take your top leg slightly off. We're looking to hold this one for 15 to 30 seconds, 2 reps on both sides. So here we have the Romanian deadlifts. What you want to make sure you're not doing is twisting too much through the hips. We're going to repeat this 10 to 15 times on both legs, 2 sets of each.
We're doing some Nordic hamstring exercises. These are a really hard exercise but really great at preventing some injuries. So you lean forward and push forward till failure, and you repeat this 6 times and try and hold for 5 seconds each rep.
Now we've got here the squats to toe raise. So what you want to do is make sure you extend through your ankles, knees and hips, doing 2 sets of 10 to 15 of these.
We're doing some walking lunge shuttles. We're doing 20-meter shuttles and doing 2 reps of 20 meters. Trying to keep nice and square when doing these. This is a Nordic abductor exercise. You can hold at the ankle or at the knee. The knee will be easier. You normally do 2 sets of 10 to 15 of these on each side.
Here we have some static squats. So what you want to make sure is you try and keep that chest up and backside out. You're looking at holding these for 15 to 30 seconds and 2 sets of that. Here we have some bounding. What you're wanting to do is try and lengthen your stride, focusing on the knee drive, doing 2 lots of 20 meters of these. So here we've got some vertical jumps. What you're looking for is to land lightly and with your knees slightly bent. We'll repeat this 10 to 15 times and 2 lots of them.